Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and we're back with another video, guys. And in this one, we are gonna do the unboxing, and I am gonna do the kind of a review of this skin from Capes of India. And I've got this skin from Capes India. It's a website. I have the link in the description below, so you can just go there and check this out. So in this video, we're gonna check how the quality is and what kind of precision that we'll get in this one. And I've got this for the Redmi Note 8 Pro that I have. So yeah, so as you can see, the packaging is kind of a pretty simple, nothing much. And this whole package is also made up of recycled paper, which is again good for environment stuffs. So yeah, that's a really nice thing. And yeah, as you can see, we have some stuffs in the box, nothing much, but we have this alcohol wipe, and yeah, that's all. So we have skin itself, obviously. As you can see, I've got this in yellow color, but you can get this in some other colors as well, and in some patterns as well, like carbon fiber, camo, and all that stuff. As you can see, we have wood, leather, and real special storm stone and all that stuff. Whichever you like, you can choose and buy. So yeah, that's about it. And we have this, I don't know what is that, but yeah, that's what it is. And we also have this alcohol wipe, as I've told you, and a cleaning cloth, which is a microfiber cloth. So as you can see, this is the skin. And guys, actually I'm doing the voiceover of this video after using this skin for about 6-7 days. So yeah, but I have to say this skin is actually really great. The cutting is actually pretty precise, which is again pretty great. And the quality of the skin is also really good. Like, it's not too thin or too thick. The thickness is really good, and the quality looks to be premium, so it doesn't feel like the quality is bad or anything like that. And if I talk about the pricing, then guys, the pricing is 500 for a normal skin. So yeah, it is kind of a pretty expensive, but as compared to the D brand skins, it's not that much. So guys, that's for this video now. And guys, so if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.